4-year-old Claire and her 2-year-old twin brothers Patrick and Daniel get to play in their parents' electric vehicle this one time only for the camera. You see, their parents are hoping an electric vehicle, EV, is one way of creating a cleaner environment for their children's future.
Doing something that allows you to set an example, like, you know, being one of the first people to have an EV, being one of the first people to say, like, this is important to us.
When we started researching another family car, this kind of came into the picture.
For Adam Cooper, owning an EV is all about making smart, sustainable decisions.
You know, I love to be a part of, something that's helping the climate and the environment.
Eric Beach enjoys how his EV rides. He says he and his wife Ranchelle haven't noticed an increase in their electric bill.
Since we purchased this a year ago, it's very slight, if anything, and in the long run, the economical value outweighs a non-electric vehicle.
And for Cheryl Klarman, her first EV was purchased this year as a Mother's Day gift. So for her, it's about cost.
I think the comparison was like 150 miles per gallon compared to gas. Like, it's really, really good.
The number of EVs on the road is increasing fast. In fact, more than 18.7 million EVs are expected on U.S. roadways by 2030.
Why EVs? So we see three big benefits. One, it's a win for the environment. Two, it's a win for customers. Three, it's a win for the energy sector, actually the energy grid as a whole. Adding more electric vehicles to the system can help the whole system operate more efficiently.
The climate is right for EVs and for future drivers like Claire, who will inherit the decisions we make that will shape her world.
You know, kids model you, for good or bad, whatever you're doing. So to have them see that we are choosing something to impact their future is huge.